When breweries were created to produce mass quantities of beer in the 15th century, no one knew the amount of carbon dioxide that would be emitted from the natural beer-making process, while then still needing to purchase commercial CO2 to carbonate and package their product. Trumer Brewery knows this very situation all too well. Since opening their brewery in 2004, brewmaster Lars Larsen has strived to incorporate an effective way to reduce CO2 emissions. Utilizing a carbon capture technology like the one invented at the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory, his operations and methods of using CO2 will be forever changed. Engineer Congwang Ye's work with carbon capture microcapsule technology has solved a big problem for craft beer makers. Originally developed to support national security missions, these microcapsules can be used to capture and reuse CO2, so breweries can be more environmentally friendly and save on costs.
So it's a very natural process of thinking about how they can capture the CO2 that they are creating and purify it and use it right on site for their later process.
The traditional microcapsule process involves the use of 3 fluids, but the latest technology Ye is developing has eliminated the need for a 3rd fluid while improving the efficiency of the process.
In this system, as you can see, you only have 2 syringe pumps. One of them is a core and the other one is a shell. So you only have the core and the shell. You no longer have the carrier fluid, which is usually 80 to 99% of your material waste.
This makes for production capabilities that are at least 100 times faster and require much less capital investment.
We're expecting in 1 to 2 years we're going to have a multi-nozzle system which will easily boom it up for another 1 to 2 orders of production capability.
This technology isn't the only enticing factor when it comes to partnering with Ye's microcapsules. The lab's newest additive manufacturing laboratory at our Livermore Valley Open Campus is specifically designed to encourage collaboration with other organizations and academia.
We want to work with people outside that has a need of using lab facility and as well as expertise as a lab and co-develop and move this forward.
LLNL's Additive Manufacturing Lab offers a unique opportunity for outside industry to work in partnership with like-minded scientists and researchers. It doesn't matter if you have a chemical formulation to figure out or are looking to improve upon a pre-existing chemical formula. If there is a particular carbon chemical process that needs fine-tuning, the carbon capture team is prepared to work together through all challenges, discovering new solutions that have never existed before.
There's so many options out there, and we're not limiting any of them. What we really want to know is who has the strongest need to put the chemical in there for us to move this forward.